I'm starting to get the curve here, but it's still pretty rough. What I want to do is come in here with cutoff wheel and cut these to where there's just one slot on each one. Open up these a little bit so I can even them out, you know, kind of smooth it in a little better.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So I got it fitting pretty good here. The crowd is applauding. Alright, I've kind of hammered this out. Kind of get rid of some of our creases and our high little points, but I think now what I want to do is actually cut this lip down. I probably have to think about how it's going to screw onto that grill too. We'll figure this out. So I got a couple screws kind of sorted in it. You can see we have kind of some gap issues, but it's starting to fit it. Like, that's pretty darn good considering the time we got on it and shit. So just need to kind of hammer out some areas here to kind of get it to level out a little bit. And then we're going to need to cut down these back pieces, kind of like we did the front. I left a little bit more on the front for attachment purposes, but this pretty much needs to be cut down pretty low, and so does this one, just to fit in there. So, get on with it here. Alright, so we got our pieces in there, got our grill in there, got that little filler that we made there, and it worked out really good. It covered up the brackets back there, kind of covered up the sides of the intercooler, and it looks a lot more finished off now. It looks a lot cleaner. I liked the idea, but I didn't know how it was going to go, and it really turned out all right. I like that. So now I'll just do the body work on it. I was originally, the whole time I was doing this, I was thinking I was going to do this black. And this is going to be that gray color, that dark gray we got on the cab. But now looking at it with the way this line comes into it, I'm thinking that these should just be both gray. But I can paint them gray if I don't like it. It's easier to paint it black than paint it back black and go to gray. So we'll paint it gray. If I don't like it, then we'll paint it black.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and